What's up, chat? No, what's up, everybody? Oh, I got counted in on the two. What's up, everybody? Good morning. That's all I got. Good morning.
That's your
That's
intro,
like,
Palm?
That's
What an
all
intro.
I have.
Yeah.
Seriously?
we're still waking up, so
I could have done that.
What's up, Porch? What's up, Ben? What's up, Chris?
I
Albu?
just went and made a
Good morning, good
sausage.
morning, good morning. Just a heads up, this is probably going to be my last stream of 2024, so hopefully it's a profitable one for each and every one of us.
That's the goal.
Morning, Mason, Ollie. Oh, everyone's chiming in all of a sudden. Morning, Kev, Martin.
Morning.
Dave had a different hat that he was going to wear, but
I find it.
to my disappointment, he can't find it. So he had to go reindeer hat, apparently. At least it matches the flannel shirt.
That's right. Be very, very quiet.
I don't know that many of our chat gets that reference, but I do.
Somebody did.
Palmetto, do you get that reference?
I get it, actually. Yeah, I'm surprised I get it, actually.
Oh, okay.
Great.
But I do get it.
Just awesome.
Morning,
I don't know,
Savvy.
I posted to Twitter yesterday of AC/DC with the best bagpipe solo ever. I must be the only one that got that.
The only one of us with Christmas spirit. Yeah, I don't know where my Santa cap is. I have no idea. And I tried to go red on the background wall over here, but it just kind of like blurred out the camera, so I had to change it. So we're going green at least.
Cool, huh? You got some like background lighting. That's pretty sweet.
Ooh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Oh, we're making upgrades, Palm. We are making the upgrades. Actually, the next stream you'll probably see a lot of upgrades.
Oh,
yeah.
Excited.
Yep. Amazon's been busy.
Wow.
Do you see their I forget what union they use, but they're going on strike?
Yeah, third party. I'm not concerned about that. You know how they contract out some of their delivery during the holiday season?
I didn't know that, but that makes sense.
Well, have you ever had like an Amazon package delivered by some random person in their own vehicle?
Oh, yes.
I
Yeah,
have.
once.
That's a third-party contractor.
I gotcha.
So
I see.
It's not going to affect Amazon, really. They just want more money is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? The Teamsters that are leading the charge there? Probably.
Yeah, it's the Teamsters.
That's who I thought it was, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah. The gangster organization. It's kind of like the NCAA with college football.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I tell you, they've got there's going to be a CBA.
Morning, Phoenix. I did not ignore you today, Phoenix. These guys did.
What's up, Phoenix?
Dave and Palm have ignored you, but I did not ignore you today, Phoenix.
Sorry, I wasn't even reading the chat. I was just typing good morning and then catching up on it.
Morning,
Yo,
Scott.
Everyone in the chat, is my mic okay? Like, is this audio okay? I'm trying consciously to sit very close to the mic today and have it like in my face.
Sounds pretty good, actually.
I'm good today. All right, so this is just the distance I have to sit at.
I have you guys turned all the way up on OBS, so
sweet.
Well, my 2 cans and a string seem to be working fine. So
yeah, those Walkman headphones have lasted an eternity.
Walkman headphones. Oh my God!
Don't move too quick; you might skip.
Yes, I know that. Yeah.
Don't hit any bumps along the way.
That is so good. All right, that one made me.
We're going with that.
All right. So what are we thinking today, guys? We thinking more uppies or?
And I don't know.
You know what
I don't like the fact that we pumped 200 points off of news. I was kind of hoping.
Let me check news.
I don't know. I mean, we do have one more news hit at 10 o'clock. It's just Michigan sentiment, but
sorry, Porch threw me off with his little Mike's post there in the chat. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're back on topic here.
I mean, I was for more uppies for me. I was hoping that the news would at least spike us down and then go up or something. But so I don't know. I don't know if we retrace this or if this is the retracement move from all the downies from the last couple of days. I don't know. I'm just going to look for short-term structure.
Nice.
Short-term structures. So are we on the 5-second chart for you today, Dave?
It's always the 5 and the 50. Oh, here's the open.
Oh my god, we opened and Motive Wave already giving me problems. It's way too early for this.
Uh-oh, you just unleashed Albu, I think. It's going to happen. I can sense a post coming very soon about Sierra charts.
No, it was the thing crazy.
Does he not like? Does he not like Sierra charts?
Loaded incorrectly.
He loves Sierra charts.
I would be on Sierra.
Here he comes.
I was going to say.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh, look, are we going to go up now? What in the wide world of sports?
All right, biggest thing for me today, as usual, and as it should be every day, but biggest thing is just being patient.
Patience.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. Patient,
I was
decisive.
patient yesterday for good trades that I liked, and guess what? I had a great day. We're going to do the same thing.
You did. I loved seeing that. Patient yet decisive is kind of how I say it.
Yeah.
Don't hesitate. Once you see it, don't hesitate, though.
Yeah, agreed.
There it is.
There you go. Yeah, Kevin's on Sierra charts, and when I was doing the Apex, I was on Sierra charts. I kind of like them.
Yeah, you just need an advanced engineering degree in order to set them up.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, listen, in college, I took a class in Fortran, so yeah, it makes sense to me.
When was that? 1956.
Close. Early 80s. Oh God.
Hey, it was me last week. I was in the hot seat last week, guys. I mean, it's somebody else's turn.
Damn, the tape has been lighting up since like 8:30 news. It's been very active.
Yeah, but this is a spectacularly pinned open. Ugh.
Yeah,
Phoenix, I don't blame you. Honestly, I wouldn't blame you if you took off till the new year.
Yeah.
So true.
It's probably going to be very volatile, especially when volume dies off for the holidays. You're going to see a lot of crazy movement.
There we go.
Yeah, I don't even know if I would come back the 26th. I would honestly, I wouldn't blame you at all for just calling it after today until the new year.
Plus with Dave around. yeah, chat. We have established we need a fade DJP indicator.
I am getting a CNBC mug. That's
just call him the new Jim Cramer. Holy white camera, Palm.
Sorry, I had to wipe it. There's dust on it. It was bothering me.
I don't know, Mr. Fox.
I don't know. I mean, I'll look at the markets.
I'll do that.
The problem that I'm going to have is there will be family in this room over the holidays, so
you got to remember, you're asking a guy that's wearing a reindeer hat, so
I mean, Dave won't be able to stay away. He'll have 20 people in his house, and he will be trading.
Right.
Christmas dinner, and he's like, "Hold on, NQ just hit 20,000."
Right.
Oh yeah, Albu, that's right. I didn't even think about that. So Trump takes office January 6th. Yeah.
Is it 6th or the 20th?
I thought.
I think it's the
20th. The inauguration day is like the 20th.
Yeah, you're right. It is the 20th.
Isn't it?
I don't know what
that's inauguration. Yeah.
January 6th was when they stormed the. That's right. When they stormed the Capitol building.
Maybe that'll be his inauguration this year too. They'll just call it on the 6th and walk in.
That's right.
I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if Democrats did something similar.
Yeah. I hate politics, man. I hate it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a huge
I want to
fan
go
either.
live on an island.
It's
where there's no politics.
Bread and circus, my friend. Bread and circus.
Yeah. Honestly. I was thinking about moving to New Zealand the other day, like whether I'd want to do that.
That's a big move.
Yeah.
It is a big move, but I think it'd be pretty cool.
Well, how's the trading situation over there? Like, what do taxes look like?
I don't know. I didn't get that far. I just went on YouTube and started watching like New Zealand surfing, and was like, you know what? This looks pretty sweet.
Well, there you go. There you go.
The reason to move.
Yeah, man.
Have you ever surfed?
Yeah, I love it. Surfing's
Okay.
awesome.
Okay.
Surfing and snowboarding are like my two favorite things, and sailing as well. But I haven't gotten to sail in a very long time.
Oh, we got a choppy open, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's ridiculous.
Just kind of consolidating above VWAP here.
I just want everybody to notice my arms are crossed. I'm not on my fingers, not on the mouse, nothing.
Sitting on hands.
Sitting on hands.
Meanwhile, 20 minutes later, Dave's in a trade from
It'll happen.
21,110.
It'll happen. It'll happen. They just see me type. Oh, got a quick 10 points there.
Very nice.
No hands, no rug. Oh,
Right.
Phoenix is telling you to move to India. Aren't there enough people in India though? Phoenix?
Why would getting milk from the top would be adventurous enough?
India
I'm
pop
good.
from the shop. That would be. Yeah, Phoenix. I used to go to Pune a lot, and I actually visited Goa. Really liked Goa.
Dave, is there a place in the world you haven't been? Have you been to Antarctica?
Yes. No, I have not. You know what? I've been to, I mean, I haven't been to Australia. I haven't been
Nice.
there. But I've been to Sri Lanka. I've been to
Nice.
yeah. Goa does. I mean, it's a vacation spot, obviously. But yeah, I had a castings vendor there, believe it or not, of all things. So
Have you ever traveled around the I don't know what the proper term is. I'm gonna say Southeast Asia, like Philippines and like the islands there.
not haven't done that. I've done Thailand. I've done Burma. But I haven't done anything like that. I wish I could have, but no, nothing
Gotcha.
like that.
That's on my bucket list as well.
I mean, I've seen all kinds of crazy things. Like Sri Lanka has got great surfing. It does. I wasn't able to surf there, but it's and Sri Lanka really is kind of beautiful. Oh no, Albania. Sorry, Abu.
Yeah,
Well,
like Malaysia. I want to go visit Malaysia and go surf there, dude. Awesome.
Myanmar. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Martin. Yeah, I know.
I just want to go on like a world surfing tour, honestly. But we'll get that.
I mean, are you that good?
No, but I'll get that good
Oh, all right.
by surfing more. But I got to get on the water first to do it. Yeah, Ollie, I've heard Morocco has good surfing. I've also heard, like, as a foreigner there, especially as someone with pale skin, like, you
Oh, yeah.
instantly become a target for every scam ever,
Yeah.
unfortunately, which sucks to say, but that's not just like one person saying that. I've seen that from multiple people that have traveled there, unfortunately. So until the culture gets a little more receptive, I can't really justify it.
It's kind of the same if you go to Naples, though, isn't it?
In Italy?
Yeah, I mean, I'm Italian. I can say my wife's from Naples. Pickpockets.
I don't know where I was, but we went to Italy once and we walked
Holy.
into like the most tourist
200
trappy
block
place.
is popping up here at 233. It just got taken.
Well, it just must have. Yeah, it
Nice.
just ate it.
Yeah,
There's
aggressive
beautiful.
buying up to the highs here. It's
All right.
oh, big seller up here too. We had a few attempts to sell, but below 21,200 that all failed.
Motivation.
Okay.
You're in Cape Town.
Yeah,
Ooh, that'd be sick. That would be awesome.
That would be nice.
Be a target as soon as I started yapping about parlays. Listen, I need to remake one of them because the Broncos lost last night. So
Palm, I told you take the Chargers. I told you.
And Phoenix
I
is
had them on
up.
another one.
You
So
know
I had
what?
a few open.
Holy
thing gets
rips.
If this gets above 290, I'm going to be and holds. I'm going to be really interested in longs.
I'd like to
Holy
see us
rips.
revisit like 250/240 to get long. There's a lot of activity there. Big blocks that went off. They're big
Well,
orders.
I gotta move my
Big
IBL
bombs, I don't know.
up here now. sure we're going to see that for a little while. Of course, right after I say that, watch what happens.
Yep, here it comes.
What did I say my key golden pivot level was? 21,120? Or 220? This one we just traded?
Yes, Ollie, the Lions injury crisis is that bad. It's like historically bad, the amount.
Okay, I'm going to get interested here. I'm getting interested in Albu's right. I mean, he wrote that in the Discord early this morning, even before news, I think. Even before 8:30, he wrote long bottoms in. I said it and I got ridiculed. Albu says it and he's a genius.
Look at his double standard. What a double standard.
Seriously, right?
Dave, thanks, personally, I think we should take a note out of the Teamsters Amazon union.
You know, if it's going to keep up this way, you know,
should be petitioning for better work conditions.
Dave's entering the villain arc. I mean,
bounce 80 here.
If we do, I like it. I'm interested if it could get back up and hold 90.
I mean, do they really try to retrace FOMC? I don't think they make the full retrace, obviously. I mean, that was a 1,000-point dump.
Hey, maybe they signed a bill that didn't shut the government down. Who knows?
Yeah, I don't know. I need to pull back at this point. I can't just.
The market's gone up every time the government shuts down. Is what I read. Some kind of stat.
Pretty interesting.
Thanks, Porch. It was a beautiful 19 degrees today when I came down here. What's it over there, Palm, for you?
I haven't been outside. Let me see.
Well, it's coming your way.
32 right now.
Dang. And we had 50.
19 is rough.
Yeah, we with a high of 55 yesterday. It's like,
it's 34 here right now. Oh wait.
Oh yeah, you're pretty cold too.
34.
I want to live somewhere warm, man. I don't like the cold at all. We're coming back into the like 50s/40s level ish if we can get down there. But like between 50 and 40 is where I had two large orders going off. One big sell and then one big buy right above it.
Scott knows what I'm going to talk about here. There on the 15-minute was a negative order block sitting right at 294. So nice little draw and rejection.
Why'd you single out Scott there?
He likes the order blocks, my friend. And he's right.
He does. I know he does.
Today's news. What was today's news? Oh, the news on that.
27 Celsius is like what? 60 degrees?
Is it add 14 and double?
Is that an American? 80.
27, yeah. That's pretty good.
That's awesome. That's like my kind of weather, dude. If that's the lowest it gets, that's my kind of weather.
Oh, it's Malaysia, yeah. A little humid though.
All right, we're back in this area. So at this point, I'd be very interested in like 50/45-ish if we see a large buyer stepping in to the market again, or if we see a large seller attempt to sell through this and get stuffed. Both cases I'm interested in.
The largest order that's close to current price is up at 300.
I don't know if I like longs anymore.
I had an aggressive buyer step in at 54. I'm also watching MNQ, by the way.
Oh.
But there was a buyer that stepped in at 54 right now and got a bid off of it.
Do we have any more news today? I didn't look at Financial Juice at all.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Michigan sentiment. Yeah, Michigan sentiment.
I thought they already voted on the like the spending bill or whatever it was, and it got rejected. At least the one
Yeah.
Trump was backing, unless they have another one.
Yeah, they have to do another one. They've got to figure it out. Or the government will shut down, which is not a bad thing.
All right, we are back above the FOMC rug pull on ES.
Oh, and ES.
We tapped it. We tapped it on NQ and rejected.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you're saying like the very bottom?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That was it just hit midnight open and went straight up.
The data lows, as the kids say.
As the kids say. I mean, since I mentioned that it's not a bad thing the government shuts down, I'm sure the NSA picked that up. Sorry, Wes.
There's that buyer getting paid from 54. Love to see it. What's up with my eye, though?
Yeah, this is going to be difficult to hop on the long, but I like the long side right now.
Yeah, this is difficult for me to even execute off of right now, too, because I have so many large orders going off. The way I've been like basing my final yes or no, am I getting into this or not recently, has been the big trade study on MotiveWave, which essentially just shows you where it's a filter for time and sales, I guess, that's on the chart. So if I have any order that's over 45 contracts, it'll show up as a bubble on my chart. And then I have it colored, obviously, for market buy, market sell, so I can see whether it's aggressive selling or buying. But that's been like my final yes or no, am I going to participate or not? I want to see a large order or a large participant at whatever area I'm thinking of getting in. And there's just so much of it on the chart right now. It's difficult for me to decipher which one is actually meaningful, which one isn't.
Yeah.
All right.
That's actually pretty good. I don't know.
I kind of want to see the ES come back down to this FOMC low before I do get long.
What is that?
21,240 could be interesting as well on NQ. That's RTH VWAP currently.
All right, we're coming back
to downtown.
I'm long from RTH VWAP. There's a big seller that just stepped in at VWAP.
I like it. I like the fortitude there. God, I'm just scared to get into it right now.
Yeah, it's moving around pretty violently, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%. Another big seller down there getting stuffed. I'd like to see it rotate up into 50. I think that makes sense.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah. I'm long from like 38.
Well, that might be a good long. Dang, look at that. Going for it.
We'll see.
Don't let Dave say these things in a trade, brother. Do not let Dave say these things in a trade.
I mean, I should have said something if Wes was in something, but not you, Paul.
We're going to zero. All right, I got something out.
Dang, I can't.
I told you.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It was worth a shot, I think. I think it was worth absolutely worth a shot.
I told you.
Oh my gosh! Sorry about that, Paul. Dang it!
It
was Wes. I wouldn't have any problems with it.
Holy sell! Holy sell!
Doggone it! Okay.
Oh, we ran all of it back.
Blast through this. It's just such a feature. Pretty funny. Wow.
All right, I'm gonna try along here.
Going off a VWAP bounce. I don't have that on my charts. Oh, boo! I'm just saying.
Need to be careful though. Let's go back up here to this volume area in the 30s. All right, I have to put a break-even stop. It's whipping around too much.
I think that's a good idea. Still
like
very
that.
early. Like a lot of price discovery
All
left.
right, stopped out.
Yeah.
It's worth a shot.
Hey, good to protect.
Well,
it, though.
ES is right at that FOMC low, so I figured we might get a little pump off of it.
That's good to protect it though by going break even.
Gee, thanks, Dave. If I get into a trade, Dave, you just go quiet, all right?
Well, I'm gonna stay quiet now, unless I'm in one.
Nice rotation off the open and lower.
Yeah.
Are we just gonna aggressively range from like 280 to 300 now, or 180? Sorry.
See what might happen.
That kind of suck.
Ooh, good. I'm glad I put in that stop. I'll tell you what, that was a quick. That'd have been a quick 50-point loss.
Yeah, big sellers.
I'm not saying a word. I'm just reading the chat. I don't want to jinx anybody anymore.
You're good. No one's in a trade.
Except for Kev, but it looks like he might be out.
Get a buyer here at 70.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense to bounce back up here.
Yeah. All right. So this guy actually got paid. That's good to see. The buyers are showing up and actually getting something out of it. I mean, paid is relative. It's 10 points.
Right.
All right. We have a wick.
10 points is good.
With a reclaim of 180. And it would have paid.
Remember, we're only 21 minutes into the session.
Yep.
Dave, have you taken a trade yet?
No, I haven't. Isn't that wild?
What? Wait, what?
Yeah.
No.
Wes and I are both in for 1 and you're 0. Damn.
Yeah. Think about that for a second.
Look at that wick and reclaim there.
I want to short here, but I'm going to let it settle out.
Yeah.
It just doesn't feel like a smart idea.
Well, it's going to whip around. You got to give it. How much room do you have to give it to breathe?
I give it, like, my full stop is 12.5 points, and then I'll tighten it or adjust it accordingly to whatever it needs to be. But I like to give it the full 12.5 on the first, like, the first test, or the first kind of when it's working, I call it. Just because I found that the wider stop just helps my win rate so much. Like when I try to really tighten it and go for like 7-8 point stops, I just get wicked out and then it goes in my direction. So I'd rather take the 12.5 points.
That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I go too tight. That's why right now I'm just sitting on hands. I mean, it's just going to whip too much for where I put stops.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a tight stop. You just have to like understand that you're going to get stopped out more often because it's closer. And that for my mental was terrible.
Phoenix, I think it's got to be your internet. I'm not sure.
I totally get it, Paul.
Stream's up and going.
Yeah, we're still alive. We're all good. Like for me, it's
frustrating.
That's exactly what it was. The mental like capital drain of having a trade on, so you put risk on and then you get stopped out or you get taken out break even and then it goes to your target.
And then it runs.
It was like legit day ruining.
I should have grabbed the wick and reclaim.
That would be
annoyed now. Well, chat, right, so anybody take my 180 wick and reclaim call? Anybody?
Nice job, Kevin, though. That was nice.
Yeah, nice job. I didn't see that.
Very nice. Yeah, what on a day like today, I'm sure, I'm guessing that if it's a little volatile, hasn't hit one of his Kevin's keys level, he's probably doing micros. So that's, if he is, that's pretty good.
All right, here's a 100 block at 42.45. All right, I'm out till news now.
News in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm out till news.
I mean, it really hasn't shown which direction it wants to go yet.
Yeah, we're just aggressively back and forth.
What are you guys'
30-second
plans for the
range setting
holidays?
is tiny. What's up?
What are your plans, Paul, for the holidays?
Very quiet this year. It's like literally just me and my parents.
Oh,
My brother and his family is staying in South Carolina for the holiday this year, so they're not coming up. They were here for Thanksgiving.
okay, nice.
That's pretty much it, man. Like, it'll be
chill,
super
then.
quiet, but I'm kind of looking forward to that.
Well, tomorrow's a big parlay day. You've got NFL and college.
Oh yeah, Saturday. Yeah, I don't look at college ball, I'm not gonna lie. I do have one on for the NFL games though.
Oh, I'm so
I don't know if
annoyed.
Do you
Mahomes
watch
is gonna
college
play
football?
well. Oh yeah, I like college football.
What's your team? You got one?
Uh, no, because I mean in Kansas, I mean it was K-State, so but
Okay.
it's definitely
I
not
can't
Mizzou.
hear you.
I'll tell you that. It's definitely not Mizzou.
Gotcha.
Being from Kansas.
Yeah, this is hard, man. There's a
Yeah.
lot of really big orders, at least on MNQ hitting the tape. Like yeah, I don't know. It's just hard to execute off this.
I don't
I
know where
agree
you
with my
do.
trade though. I think my you know what helped me? Like looking back as to like whether which trade I should take or shouldn't is if you look back at it after the fact and like if it had worked out, you'd be mad at yourself for not taking it. Like
Yeah.
if that trade had worked out, aggressive sellers coming into VWAP and we were slowing down as there was aggressive sellers stepping in at a level that I'm interested. If we had bounced that and I hadn't taken that, I'd be upset at myself.
Yeah, I hear that. Well, I mean, the setup was what you're looking for. Why? There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
That's the one thing. Again, I know we've talked about this before, but going back to when you were on the spectator thing, the reasoning, you've always got sound reasoning, in my opinion. Always have sound reasoning for why you're going to enter or not enter, and that's all it is, man. I mean, that's cool.
Thank you.
I mean, unlike Nims, I'm not sure what his reasoning is, but I think he just throws chicken bones down.
Shots. Speaking of, let me check the waiting room. I haven't seen him in the chat though. He's not
Yeah,
here.
I haven't seen him yet. He'll be showing up here shortly, I'm sure. I don't know if I'll be able to get him on video, but we'll have him on audio.
Yeah, see what right now. What do you do? For me, there's no structure.
Right now, you wait for news.
I agree.
Yeah.
No trade.
Right in the middle of two
Ugh, brutal.
Two zones of interest.
I mean, it's Friday before holidays. I'm sure most folks are gone.
Or getting ready to leave. Well, I don't know. This is probably, here in the States, it's probably the kids' last day of school before the break.
Yeah.
Not college students, but grade school.
I think we'll just see manipulation.
Bro, speaking of college, you know what I woke up to yesterday?
What's that?
I woke up and had this so I normally don't have Instagram on my phone. I normally keep it deleted for like this exact reason in a way. But I just mentally it helps me to not have it like easily accessible. But I had a thought yesterday. I was like, oh, I should download Instagram and just check on some people. And I did. And the first thing I saw was that 2 of my ex-girlfriends from college are now best friends. That was what I woke up to.
That's awesome.
Had me a little shook. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little shook.
Yeah, I don't know if you want them comparing notes.
They're just trashing you.
Yeah, probably.
Where'd you go to school, Palm?
I originally went to a school in Virginia for sailing, and then COVID happened, and there was no sailing, so I transferred. And then I transferred to Fordham in New York.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Nice. Oh, there's news. Yeehaw.
Indeed.
And there's...
Nice, Porch.
Rick.
Got your 400 and you're locked out? Nice.
I love it.
A sailing school? No, it was a school that had a sailing team. Definitely not rich. That'd be cool, but definitely not.
That'd be cool, yeah. Oh, where's that? Where's the Maritime Academy? What is that, in Falmouth or somewhere there?
It was, well, the school I went to was Christopher Newport in Virginia. It's
okay.
Newport News.
Trust fund baby stuff.
Wow. Wow.
You can think what you want. I promise you I'm not a trust fund baby. Like the exact opposite.
Then came off the top rope.
I'm long.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Spicy.
Not. Ooh. You know, this is a rare event, but when I'm the one still sitting on my hands and you guys are just slinging trades, I'm just going to watch.
Yeah. You and me both. I'm also hands off for now.
Oh, this is looking good. Oh, I'm not going to say anything.
Yeah, you shut your mouth.
Damn it. Seriously, come on.
We're headed back.
Come
We had a big
on.
buyer up here on M&Q. Another large buyer at like 73.
The wide world of sports.
Another large buyer at 80. Oh boy. Dave might have cooked you.
Yeah, he did cook me. It came back on.
Dang it.
Dave.
I'm trying to compliment
We had
you.
this discussion. We had this discussion.
This is brutal. This is brutal. I don't even know what to say right now.
Dave's 2 for 2 on sniping us today.
I know. He loves the little pullback. I was only looking for another 5 points, too. That's the problem.
Well, how much were you in the money? You had to be 10 or 15 points in the money.
What did I make there? I made, I don't know, $170 on that trade.
Oh, well, see, yeah, you were probably up 15 to 20.
I mean, I'm up. This is my live account. I'm up $650 right now on my live account.
Okay.
Gotta get that 10,000 acre mansion somehow.
Don't. Not there yet, Paul.
Yeah,
that's right. Yeah, it ain't gonna get itself.
Not there yet.
Oh, so you know that goal I posted yesterday of I want to take $1 million in payouts next year?
What are we checking Discord for, Phoenix?
Oh.
What's in Discord?
I'm not sure I want to see this.
What, the member log? Is that what we're looking at? I don't know. I don't know what we're looking at here.
In a trade, waiting for a trade.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good. I'm gonna have to add to that. Wow. Nice 15-minute barcoding going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot of activity up here in like the 70s that we haven't been able to trade above yet. I just don't really know if I want to take that short.
I don't know. I kind of think
we're still above the initial news spike.
I think we float higher. The larger orders are up above.
Yeah, I could see that as well. We're still above the initial news spike, and we already retested it and we held it, so it makes sense to trade higher.
Oh, there's my full
290's
trade.
got a hold.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Dave.
Huh?
Thanks, Dave.
Oh, it went to it.
You
Oh my
had to open
God.
your mouth for the one down,
Oh my
one little
gosh.
down sweep to get me out of the trade.
Oh my gosh. Blame me for getting shook out. I can't take it. Here's the level there. Let's see what we do here. If we can hold this. Go, go, go. Come down a little. Come down a little. Back a little.
My goodness. Well, I let my banger go.
Okay, I'm long at 99. Let's see. Let's set a new IB. Yeah, let's go ahead and take that 15 points. Probably ran more, but I'll take my 15.
Good job.
Thank
It
you.
was a good trade. Would you qualify yourself as a momentum trader? Like, is that your favorite kind of trade?
He's definitely
Probably.
a momentum trader.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
He is.
Well, I had to get
definitely
ahead
a-
of Wes. I'm up 894 on the day. 895.
Dave could literally go to a 1 minute chart and do just the previous candle, follow the previous candle strategy, like print screen,
Oh, yeah.
opening of the next minute candle, hit buy.
Yeah.
Prints red, opening of the next minute candle. Oh man,
I
my
should have held
No, I
long
just
ones.
asked because Dave
God,
has
I
a
wish I would have. Sorry.
Dave, I feel like I don't tell you this enough, but you're a good trader, man. Like you spot the momentum and you spot the areas well, like much better
Oh,
than I
thanks.
do, that's for sure. Like I would have
just
never
gotta-
thought as we were pushing this high that we were gonna step in with this much buying, but you nailed it.
Oh, thanks. I just got to have patience, and that kind of stuff. But thank you. I appreciate it.
Better trader than signal caller.
Very much the fact. That's what you get for ruining my VWAP trade. I see T. There you go, Martin.
Ruining the VWAP trade yesterday. Yeah.
I mean, look, I got out at 4. I got in at 98.75 and out of 14. I mean, I could have held for another 20 points, but on days like today where it whips around, I'll take it.
Yeah, you just take it and get out.
Just take it and get out. I've got to learn the one thing I want to learn is like what Kevin and Scott and Wes and Albert is hold that longer. It's just I haven't gotten there yet. I haven't gotten that patience yet. We'll get there. But let's see, look at it come back. So I was happy,
For me, it's all about waiting for like ideal entries for those type of positions. Though you're playing middle of moves, whereas we're trying to pick tops and bottoms.
Yeah, I tried to do that, and I just am not good at it. So yeah, Kevin's right. Don't ask me what I think, 'cause I'll be. So I went back to momentum trading, and it works.
Never ask Dave what he thinks. Only listen to what he trades. Yeah, that's about right.
He's right.
That's about right.
Although I called 242 last night, you were laughing at me.
When you called it, there was an immediate 30-point pump from the time you got the words out of your mouth.
It was crazy. It was crazy.
It really is uncanny. I will say that. Like, it is uncanny how instantly wrong you are.
And yet here I'm at $900, sitting on $900.
Get him.
Chat, I'm going to be quiet the next time I get into a trade, so you'll just see it on my stream. I'm not going to say anything. So Dave doesn't say a thing about my trade.
It's a good thing I don't give a shit about what people say about me.
I mean, to do what we're doing, quite frankly, we kind of have to be that way.
100%. 100%. It's so funny. Man, oh man.
I took a long from 95. I don't love the fill. See if it works. It definitely could have been a lot better, but we had a big seller step in that didn't trade lower at all, so looking at like 308 as a target.
Let's see what it does.
Wolf.
Yeah.
Come on.
Seller is getting paid. All right. Well, that is the day on my PAs. Unfortunately, that'll be a max
no.
loss for that.
You have it set relatively small though, right? Like
Yeah, it's
I
250.
love that.
okay.
I love that, and that keeps
I
you.
think if like, I agree with that trade. I mean, it's just one of those days where I'm seeing the tape get hit, but no follow through. So I'm just gonna trade the evals instead.
Good man. Well, today might be a good day.
Honestly, on stream, you probably should have traded the evals anyway.
Yes.
Stream curse is real.
Dave curse.
Yeah, Dave curse is right.
I mean, if you want to go long, I'll post a screenshot of me going short. That'll take care of that.
Counteract.
We ran a lot of the big blocks to the top side, so I'm kind of against the long right here.
I am, definitely. Nice job, Scott.
Kind of.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to. That was the biggest order we've had all day. Was this big sell at VWAP here?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. Like, do I agree with my trades? And I think the answer is yes. Like, I don't think I did anything incorrectly. We're just aggressive range is what I'd call it, where you have like a really wide set range and you're just whipping around inside of it. It's difficult to trade.
Look at the 15-minute. It's brutal. It cannot sustain that 290 level, and that's not good news right now. For longs.
This is the trade I wanted to see earlier. Big seller come into VWAP, no follow through, bounce off of it.
Bounce right off, yeah.
All right, 500 there. I took a trade.
Nice.
I'm gonna start watching the stream so that.
All right, guys. Oh man,
it's my chance.
You see how that works out? You see how that works out? I probably could have held, honestly. I just don't like. You were right about the 290. You were right about the 290. I played long on the bounce.
Yeah. But I mean, it's into one of your zones. Let's see what happens here into one of your resistance zones.
What a rip.
Oh, it's a bummer.
All right, guys. That might be my last trade of 2024.
Wow.
A nice one.
I'm now up almost $1,200 on the day. Fridays are normally really bad days for me, so
gave more sympathy.
Nice trade. Nice day.
I mean, but 250 is my max loss, so I'm gonna call it what it is.
I could have held this too.
Oh, I think that I love what you did there with that palm. It keeps you. You don't give back what you built up.
Yeah, I mean, that was the only thing that kept me alive last week, dude. Last Thursday, Friday, Monday were all max loss days. It was not pleasant.
I bet not.
Thanks, Abu. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks, Abu.
Tenor, no, I've got family coming into town. Actually, the first of them arrives this evening or this afternoon. So, I don't think I'm gonna do any streams. I don't know. I might do one random one after Christmas sometime.
What a random one.
Let you in, losers. Okay. All right, names, you're in.
The rude guy is here.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
How are you, Nims?
I'm good. I'm good.
How was the meal with the father?
It was lovely.
Yeah,
it was very nice. We exchanged some presents.
Love it.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Good.
How have you all been? Where are we at in the market? Oh, we actually went up.
DJ saying you were supposed to do ho ho ho, Nims.
No ho 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 yet.
Wait, Nims, are you Christian?
I am an atheist.
Okay.
And my But if you want what I was, my parents, I'm Catholic Muslim, if that's
Okay.
a religion.
I just didn't know if you celebrated Christmas or not. So, to anybody who doesn't celebrate Christmas, Happy Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate.
I mean, I feel everyone celebrates Christmas now.
That's a seasonal thing or whatever. Yeah.
It's a big statement.
Yeah.
Is it even really a? Is it even really a Christian thing anymore?
No, it's just a general thing. Like, all my Muslim friends will all celebrate Christmas.
Nima, you know who Central C is?
Yeah, I know Central C, yeah.
You know that bar where he said the Mandem celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day?
Yes, yes.
I think about that a lot.
Phoenix says he celebrates anything that gives him gifts.
That's right. That's right.
That is understandable.
I put my
He really likes Chinese New Year's because he gets a little money in the red envelope.
Yeah, Martin, you're right. This is the time of year where I put on about 10 pounds. And then January rolls around and I'm like, nope. Nope. Time to hit the gym.
Yeah, it's people like you who clog up the gym. Just stop overeating and stop clogging up my gyms.
Well, I mean, I work out all year round.
No, you're not like the January. Oh, I'm gonna get fit this year. Pay for a gym membership, use it for like a month, and then never come back.
Yeah, no.
Oh, Im's is bringing the fire. Holy cow!
It's so annoying,
to the
Dave.
Christmas
It's
spirit.
so annoying. You just want to go and do your workout, and then it's just loads of new people looking lost. You know they won't be there in a month, just clogging up the space.
Oh my gosh!
Really going in.
Yeah.
Tenor, my buddy calls it Christmas Hana Kwanzaa.
Nice.
I've got a rowing machine at home, Nims. I got a rowing machine that I love. So
Yeah,
it's a great.
Rowing machines are good.
If you can only buy one piece of equipment for your house, that's what I'd buy.
A rowing machine? Yeah, it's full
Oh
body.
yeah, 100%.
Or Kev's got that Bowflex thing. That's a pretty good machine.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I just know the adverts. Bowflex.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Phoenix, I celebrate. I mean, I ignore everything Iranian until it gets to Iranian New Year, and then I'm fully about it, because Iranian New Year, you have to give brand new money to people.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hey guys, you know what, chat? We're gonna bring in the vibes here a little bit. I'm gonna change the playlist for a minute. Let's go a little Christmassy.
You're gonna get Mason copyright strikes for Christmas.
Nope, copyright free.
Oh god, copyright free Christmas music. I don't have the sound on, thank God.
Oh, I'm sure plenty of it's absolutely horrible, but I don't even hear it.
I'm in an eval trade right now,
charts.
long from 31, looking at 50 half.
Yeah.
Alright, at least we.
Go brother.
All right, got filled out.
Yes.
Nice work.
So the evals are only down $50.
I am glad you waited so that Dave could not jinx your trade.
Yeah, I figured Nima talking was like the cover.
Dave has made the worst all-time call outs as of recently. Like,
do you remember?
Go ahead.
So we were watching.
There it comes.
We were all long during FOMC, and it was all going good. Okay. And then Dave posts a screenshot, and the market dumps 800 points.
Listen, I already posted where the market makers have their secret meeting.
No. And to make it worse, I was on a personal account. Other people were trading real money, and you were posting screenshots for a practice account just to fuck us all.
Yeah.
Well, really, it was just to get you. I didn't want to get anybody else. It was really just
All of us. You got all of us.
It's really bad. Like it's uncanny almost how bad the calls are, and instantaneously wrong.
Yeah. Dave, you got any calls? You want to make a call so I can fade it?
Well, I'm about ready to do something here, but I'm not going to say it.
Nims, I told him this morning, Nims, like we really do need to develop, program a fade DJP indicator.
Yeah. Fate
You know
Framer
what?
was so 2024. It's all about Fate DJP for 25.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, you don't want to know what my targets are right now for the longs. I
We'll
like.
be getting the newsletters soon and things like hot stocks and ETFs to invest in for 2025.
Getting all that crazy stuff that he has. Buy, sell.
Yeah, but see, here's what Dave does. He gets into trades. He doesn't say a thing, right? Doesn't say a thing when he's in a trade. But as soon as we're in a trade, that mouth is running consistently.
Yeah.
And Phoenix has kind of called me out. I was trying to keep that quiet, Phoenix. I was springing that on the new year.
Remember when we had the predictions going for like where we would close just after FOMC, and I said, Dave, say the bottom's in, and then the market just dropped like 200 points.
Yeah, Martin. Kathy Woods ARC Fund. What is this? Norton free trial extension. Yeah, get out of here.
Did I not call where the market was going to close? Did I not win that? Hello? My gosh.
Yeah, Kathy Woods ARC Fund is awful.
Bet that the market was going to close.
Yeah, and I won it. I mean, I think it was maybe Martin was in it too, or somebody was, and it was just like a half a point off. But yeah.
Oh, you had like a price. I thought you meant just that the market's going to close at some point.
No, we just
you didn't win.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he did.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he won.
Win?
Yeah, he won.
For the close, for the regular trading hour close. Martin's right about that.
Unbelievable.
How does she? I don't understand how that's even still. People still put money in, but I guess.
Dave made the closest. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, look. If everyone's saying it's true, it's true. It's just
no, he did.
Trying to find that needle in the haystack of bad calls, isn't it?
Phoenix, thank you, Phoenix. Appreciate it.
No, Dave can make calls when they're an hour or two out. It's the instant reaction from the call out that is really, really poor.
Where did we close today? I'm telling you, I like 21,600. I like us getting up there.
You reckon we...
Well, what would be the 50% retracement on the fib for the FOMC move?
Yeah,
I mean that's what I'm looking at. Let's see here.
Where is that?
Let me see.
You know what? You're pretty close to that. You're right. Yeah, I like 21,600. All right, I'll be down for that.
All right.
Dams.
All right, Dave. I like that call too.
So
right,
21,802.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, and I'm sure I know. Right? I'm just waiting for IB to
21,802.
All right. Let's see what this does.
Oh yeah, 802 is kind of a nice one, but let's see.
Yeah, keep pulling higher up, Dave.
I mean, tippy top to me would be 700, but I kind of like this 600.
All right. Target of 21K100.
Wow, look at this thing go. I was waiting for IB to set, but
yeah, we channeled really nicely through the prior low.
In that section, yeah. You guys all right? I'll collect when it gets to 600.
Palm, what do you got going on for the holidays? I know what Dave's got going
on.
Super quiet.
Yeah, we did. He was away. He had stepped away. As the
I didn't hear.
Toddler.
Wes was.
I haven't even gone to the bathroom yet. I was probably moving some wires down there. You know how when you see cords out of the corner of your eye, you have to get them out of your field of vision.
Yeah,
that's what I was doing.
No, super quiet this year. Like we're just me and my parents just chilling at home. Nothing crazy. I have to work Friday as well, unfortunately. Like Wednesday, Thursday I have off, and then Friday I have to go in.
Dave, Palm, have you received your Christmas gift from your employer yet?
What?
No.
No?
What?
Okay.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I was just wondering if Wes had sent you a gift yet for Christmas for his employees.
No, I get a
I thought
Merry
mine
Christmas.
might just be late because I live in the UK. It was just taking some time to come over.
Dave and I were talking about this. We were thinking we really do need to unionize and follow what the Teamsters are doing.
All right, so chat, we are having open auditions for Trading with the Boys.
Yeah, you know what my gift is, Nibs? I get invited on so that he can give me shit. I mean, yeah, that's my gift.
Open auditions starting Monday.
You know what I do need? I do need a tailor-made hat. I was thinking about that yesterday.
Hey, Chase, Merry Christmas to you as well, brother.
Hey, Chase, Merry Christmas.
Hope everything's going well.
All right, 5 minutes to IB, Paul. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, why is there a snowplow on my street?
What?
Is it supposed to snow? Oh, it might snow this afternoon.
Yeah, I think we're expecting snow here. Temperatures are actually dropping during the day here.
I'll be back in a second.
We're supposed to be like in the 50s at Christmas, which will be nice.
So are we.
Nice.
So are we.
That'd be cool.
I think you and I have similar weather, Dave.
Yeah, pretty close. So we had Thanksgiving at our house and for our families, and then my sister has it.
Kev, it's snowing there?
Wow.
Let me look here.
Oh, tenor snowing in Toronto. That's not a shocker.
Anyway, so this tailor-made hat I was talking about. Hint, hint, wink, wink.
On. Why do you need a tailor-made hat?
Because I was watching the latest Grant Horvat video.
Here we go.
I'm kidding.
I'm gonna like.
Look at this rip.
Yeah, we're just pumping above prior low.
All those shorts getting wrecked right now. Why do I have a feeling we're gonna pump this, and then the afternoon's gonna be a full retrace?
I think this is the mini sample rally here.
You know what?
I want to see overnight high. What's up?
If you remember your 220 in your trading plan, right? Had you waited for the reclaim above 220 and the retest, the pump off that level, you would have taken 2 points of heat and still be in it. Still been in it.
Insane. Overnight highs coming up.
Oh, here I got it. Yeah, that's true. It was a very that was news though. That was the Newswick that
was that the news?
It, so, yeah. So I mean, it's cool to see it play out. I'm not going to take that just because it's off.
You're right. You're right. It was.
Honestly, the trade I really liked more than that was the retest of RTH VWAP at 250 because we had a giant seller step in there and they found no momentum forward. So
blow through.
But
overnight.
It's a good lesson.
I agree with the idea.
Pre-market, that was your plan, right?
Yeah.
And even though the market dumped, your plan still played out.
Yeah.
It's like
that news jump is incredible. I mean, well, that was obviously an excuse. I don't even think they cared what Michigan sentiment was.
Yeah, I set my plan to Jamie Dimon, so he made it happen for me.
Jamie Dimon, there you go.
My plan's to wait for Dave.
I think the Christmas music is sending people away. People are dropping off the stream.
We're really close to the overnight highs now. Curious to see what happens.
We're through them.
We're through them right now. We just got
MQ. We just pushed it on MQ.
423.25.
Buying above the highs. That's not going anywhere. Interesting.
Crazy.
You don't hear music?
All right, that's a push. We will not be taking that.
Oh. Well, let's turn it up for you guys. If you don't hear it.
All souls.
How's music now? Do you hear it now?
Wes really trying to push for the 3 viewers.
Got notification that my wife's present I got her is going to get delivered today. That was good. Kind of sweating that one.
Nice.
That's what you get when you wait till a couple.
Wow,
what did you get her?
I can't tell you. She may watch the stream.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I forgot that me and your wife talk every day.
Damn.
I didn't see that one coming. I'm not gonna lie. I did not see that one coming. Holy.
Bro.
Holy.
All right. I'm gonna stick around.
Dave
here.
cursed one too many of
Wow.
Nima's trades.
That's
Wowza.
right. Yeah, it's one of the viewers today.
Tom,
Yeah,
what
the
is your
feds are
favorite
talking. They're
Celsius
talking
flavor?
stuff.
Probably
All right, I'd be
orange.
set.
We're right through it already.
Yeah,
Aggressively.
never got a
Probably
chance for
orange.
that.
Why you ask?
I'm just asking. Sin. I mean, it's difficult to come by here, so I need to know. I need to know these things.
That's crazy to me. You can walk into literally any gas station here and get it.
That's right. Dude.
Yep. $5 a can.
You
Really?
know how
Dude,
disappointing.
it's like $2.50 where I am.
I think you have
Wes
to.
told me it was $5 a can because I was like, it's expensive here.
I
'cause
think
it's
you have to
£2 a can.
snag. I think you have to buy multiples in order to get a discount. So you can't just grab one can. Like that's always like the buy three for.
I
for
could
10
walk
or
into
something
like my
that.
nearest gas station and get, I think it's like $2.79 or $2.89 a can.
I don't know. I got to go out later. I'll let you know for sure what it is here, but it's fairly expensive.
Wow.
Wait, I
Well,
think orange is my favorite, and then like, I don't actually know what's my second favorite. I just know orange is my favorite.
Really? I thought the orange was a bit mid.
Mid.
Yeah.
Sanders,
Fair.
we're talking about Celsius.
Yeah.
The energy drink.
Yeah, on the trading stream.
We
Let's check
talk
this out.
about everything here.
that's right.
We're a very
Unfortunately.
eclectic community.
Do you think we even
Done
get
all your
a,
Christmas shopping,
a
Wes?
test of IBH now to bounce off of?
I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope so.
Holy
I would
cow.
like one. I would probably take it if it sets up correctly.
Yeah.
I heard you ask a question, Nims, but I couldn't hear it because Dave was too busy giving one of his terrible call-outs here again.
Okay. I was asking if you'd done your Christmas shopping.
I still have a few things I need to pick up.
I see how it is.
I mean, it's a good time to be single. Christmas.
Mm-hmm. That
Real.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit my 620 before we ever get to lunch.
I mean, this
Yeah,
is
it's
a rip,
aggressive.
guys. We are 500 plus points off the bottom.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Yeah, that's aggressive. 520 points of range so far and counting.
Yeah.
Counting.
Yep.
I mean, it's going up as I'm saying it, so
My gosh.
Yeah, cell
I
signals are
said that when
gone.
it was 520 or 524. now.
There is no cell signal up here.
Well, I guess it held 290. Wow.
I'm just waiting until Dave says he's long, and then we're going.
yeah. Yeah, Martin, 250 points in 20 minutes. You're right. I mean, it's just straight up.
Amazing. What are the feds saying? I hate when those guys talk. I like it and I hate it. I mean, it's a blessing and a curse.
Look at this hourly candle print on the ES. My goodness, what's the hourly looking like on the
Oh,
NAS?
it's brutal.
Holy.
Nice.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I don't know what to do here.
Leave my 620 call. That's what you do.
Nima, just to catch you up, I am down 250 per account on the PAs, and I'm down 50 on the evals.
Mark.
Yeah, I mean, I went short when on the sim when Dave said they're called the 600 level. So I mean, I'm not in a good state right now, but we'll make it back. I've been adding some contracts. We'll DCA our way out of this. All right.
It's
Oh my
Sims, so
gosh, guys.
Martin up 55K right now.
nice.
Look at that. Look at Sanders. I mean, gave him an ace. 10 micros, cut 5, and rode the other 5 up. Wow.
Nice. Good job.
On micros. Well,
Yeah,
today's
I
the
mean,
day
this is
to do
the
it.
environment
Hey.
for micros, dude. When we're putting in 530 points of
Mhm.
range on a session, it's micro
That's
time.
awesome.
I mean,
God, that's awesome.
Scott, imagine you'd made one of your 50 micro plays. How much you'd be up?
That is fantastic.
Oh, I was messing around in replay last night, and I put on 200 micros. It's pretty fun.
I think you guys are out of your minds.
It was a
That's
replay.
awesome.
All right, guys.
Okay.
It
let's
is
see what we do.
it's weak bladder time, so
See,
I'll be right back.
bladder of a toddler.
Right. I know Wes hasn't got us a present, but what if we get him, you know, one of those piss bottles that you can go and get?
Like when I
What if we
fly,
just get him
you
adult
get,
diapers?
I can get that from like Sporty Pilot Shop or something. I like
Wait,
that.
can you?
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. They make them for, you know, if you're a private pilot when you fly.
okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it would be a good gift.
Have we
Just
ever
clothes for
considered
sticking
adult
around for the
diapers?
entertainment. Are you sure there's going to be entertainment, Scott? I'm not promising anything.
I don't know. This is.
Dave, this
Hey,
looks like we might want to go find IB.
I'm getting interested.
Yeah, me too.
Oh no, don't. I'm short. Don't go short.
All right, I'm shorting now.
No. Don't do it.
Look at that buy-up. Let's go.
And
Wow,
points
that
and
is
counting.
uncanny. Holy shit! I didn't even go short,
Yeah.
but that is
Oh,
uncanny.
15.
why'd you do this to me? Why? It's starting to look good for me, and you go, oh, I'm thinking about going short.
No, I'm waiting for it to come down so I can go long.
20 points off of Dave's call.
And that, this is uncanny. I've
Yeah,
never
30 points,
seen
isn't it?
anything like it. It is.
I had it
uncanny.
from 90.
Okay.
30.
I made the call at 83.
Yeah, and
Just
climbing.
so you know.
Yeah.
Oh man, I should have went long. What if I
Oh god, 40.
should have went long?
Look at this. Surely we consolidate up here a little bit now.
All right, so no IB backtest, I guess.
That kind of. I think we get it, but oof. I think we consolidate now a little bit.
My
Yeah.
problem with it though too is like if we're up so much off of this move, if we are coming back into IB, I also honestly think we go trade overnight highs again.
That's pretty far down. Oh no, that's not that far down.
It's right under it, yeah.
Yeah.
Not right under, it's like 20 points.
Okay,
mean,
guys.
after-
Everyone wants a top tip, chat. If you are in a position and Dave agrees with your position, just exit. Just close it there and then.
That's it. I'm posting what my P&L is. That's it. I've had enough of this.
Yeah, Dave's up nice on the day.
Yeah, because he doesn't call out his trades. He tells you when he's
Welcome back.
30 points in
Hey,
profit.
you know what he's just done, Wes?
I
you know, I
must have
was
clicked off my
short.
mic.
It's
There we
starting to
go.
look good.
All right.
Started to look good, Wes. All right, we were at 490. Dave started to say, "Oh, I'm beginning to like the short here." Instantly ripped
No.
40 points.
Yeah. I bet. I bet
I
that's
said I
how it
was
happened.
looking for a long, but then you said, don't say you're short. And I said, okay, I'm going to go short here.
No,
And it
no.
just
Palm
bounced
was
up.
saying about going down back to IBH, and you were like, "Yeah, I'm beginning to like this."
I mean, we're just going up. There's I mean, on my 2-minute chart, I have one red candle print. One.
Well, I think we're getting a little exhaustion here to consolidate.
Yeah, I just had a big seller come in at
All right,
520.
yeah,
but
get long,
they're
everyone.
underwater.
Get long.
Yeah,
everyone.
get long, everybody.
Get long. Hit the buy button.
Yep. And
Look at it
Dude,
go.
Yeah,
21,600
instantly 20 points from Dave's call out.
Another giant seller up here.
I'm a market maker.
I actually took it short.
Thank
There's
you,
a
Mark.
really big seller up here. I'm short from 530.
All right, guys, I got about 20 minutes, and then I gotta
Got the
start
12
doing
minutes.
other things.
Nice job. Nice job, Paul.
Thanks. Thank you. Now, if only I could do that on my funded accounts, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, I think there's more hesitation on the fundeds. You know?
Yeah, there is.
Like a little,
I guess.
a little second guessing.
Honestly, I firmly, I mean, I can go look back at it right now, but I firmly agree with the trades I took. They just were wrong. Like,
Yeah.
neither of them, I don't think saw. Yeah, this one saw like 4 points in profit and then it dumped, and then this one saw not zero, another 4. So like, they were just wrong, and it happens. If nothing else, I would have liked to have been able to take that long off of RTH VWAP where that big seller was, but at that point I hit max loss. So
speaking of which, guys, this is off topic. Sorry, Palm, I just thought about it, but I need to mention it. Over the holidays at some point, I need to get you guys on a call. I think we're gonna try out VMix for the new year, and try something a little bit different. So when we get that all geared up and ready to go, we'll schedule a little trial run setup with the cameras and everything. So
yeah, sounds good.
Double pay for
like
working over Christmas.
Double pay.
Yeah, where's the overtime pay?
Yeah, that's holiday pay.
Like I said, chat, we're hosting auditions starting Monday. All 15 of you or 16 of you that are here. Actually, it's probably only like 12 people that are here because it's.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, so are Palmetto and Dave.
Right.
Honestly, today might just be the day that I try to
Scott,
pass
you've been
the
invited onto the casting couch many times. You don't want to come.
Pause.
Yeah.
Pause.
It's just going to be trading with the duck on Fridays. Or Wesley speaks to Phoenix and he just quacks back at him.
That's great.
All right, it's starting to look a little rolly.
That's right. I will finally get paid.
Yeah, this big seller at 5:30-ish. 2 big sellers, but like 2 separate large blocks around 5:30 are currently still getting paid. We'll see though, it's been pumpy as hell.
Yeah.
I really would like the IB backtest. That would be pretty clean.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Especially because that was like the spike base of where, like, we set IB the 30 seconds before 10:30 and then immediately pushed through it with a large buyer right on IB. And we left kind of, I know ICT calls it volume voids, like an LVN, like low volume node, but it's not even like a node. It's just kind of, I don't know what to call it really. It's more of like a gap or a very imbalanced. Yeah, if you want to call it that. It's like a very imbalanced area.
Les and I were talking about earlier. I mean, to me, those are just, I mean, he's calling that what it is. It's like single prints, really.
Yeah, it's like a single print on volume. Let's call it that, is what was left behind.
That's what he's kind of, I think. I don't know.
It's not a true gap because there was volume there. It was just extremely light.
Light, very light, and erased through it.
Yeah.
So, and it likes to revisit that because it doesn't, you know, at some point, because it doesn't like to leave that. I'm thinking about a short.
Can you not? Can you not?
Oh, look at us. We're consolidating here like I said we would.
Well, I mean, it makes sense after 500 points of up move.
And I got ridiculed.
I'm beginning to feel after hearing some information that 800 might be in play.
Seriously, I said I'm thinking about a short, and here it goes.
Martin hit the long, and he's instantly up.
Good man.
Oh wait, no, he's down now.
Yeah, just put a break even with this whipping us around. What are we going to come up a quarter of the hour?
He's long 15. He's up 11 points right now.
Yeah.
On Discord, seeing that Palmetto was late again.
What?
Palmetto? What?
I was in the shower, bro.
Reading the messages. Just got out the shower. I'll be there in a second.
It was actually easy setup today. Everything was in place.
Yeah.
Saying I'm the problem.
Yep.
Pretty much.
That's exactly what I was inferring.
I'm
20
blaming the
points off that
concussions.
15 call.
I'm blaming that you're just a bit slow.
That 15 call was brilliant, Martin.
We are putting in like a pretty nice distribution up here, though. I think if we push out of this, get above 540 and start running, it's like just press the green button and come back in 4 hours to profit.
Yeah.
That kind of day.
I'd like to see us kind of come down a little bit more and then go, but
Me
I don't
too.
know if we get that.
Yeah, I really would like a revisit of IBH.
Or even just come back down to 480s.
Guys, I literally changed the colors of all these levels this morning, and now I'm gonna have to go back and change all these colors of these levels again.
Get got.
You're making it sound like it's
Look at this. It's just no
like
stopping
it's
it.
much worse than it is. It's
You're
literally
welcome,
just
Mark.
right clicking on it and going green or red.
Yeah, it's annoying though. It's annoying. Thanks for the short call, Dave. I mean, we're outside of even the the second standard deviations of VWAP, so like we're way
Pretty
above
rippy.
it.
The fact that we're holding price up here, though, is interesting to me.
We're just going to consolidate a little bit.
Like, sellers have been trying. There's two pretty large sellers around 530 where I initially took that short, and it's just back at their original entries. And there's a sell at the lows right around 503 of this like micro range that is underwater currently. So it's not like they aren't showing up. There are sellers here, but they're just not getting anything through the bid.
I mean, ES still has room up. ES looks like it wants back above 6K.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't even know what to do here. Probably
Take any
that,
trades.
that probably means do nothing. What's that?
Yeah.
That means do
You taking
nothing.
any trades, Wes?
Yeah, Nims. You want to see what I'm up? Look at the stream.
He's up 10,000 acre mansion. Nice, good job.
Nice.
Hey, you've been on a good roll since I came back to the Discord.
I have. That makes it a well, that's, let's see, how much is that? That's
Oh my
that's
God, the dog just
10K in the last 3 days.
Since I returned.
Wow, good job.
Since I returned.
That's
That's
10K,
insane, dude. Good job.
10K in the last 3 days.
Here we go.
I thank you would be.
Oh my gosh.
Nims, I'm not gonna lie. I was in a spot where I was like, man, do I remember how to trade? I was telling Paul
Yeah,
that.
I saw it. It was just
was
all
like,
red
oh,
days.
My goodness.
Yeah. And then we had that chat, and now you're all winning again.
I had a
So
chat.
You're welcome. You are welcome, Wesley.
I had a
Anytime,
I had a
brother,
chat with a few
anytime.
people. That's where I was at.
Anytime, brother. Any...
It wasn't just you. I had a chat with a few people.
That was a bummer. I went in short.
But
at
there was one
21,
person
put
who
too
made
tight
the
of a stop.
difference.
Dave, we might get 480 here.
Yeah, I went in at 21 and short, and I moved my stop too quick. It stopped me out and then ran.
Damn.
It's too bad. And I had a 20-point target. That would have been perfect. Well, next trade. That's too bad.
We've got a way to go before my break even, but we're making our way there.
Where are you short from?
What, originally?
Like, where's your average entry right now?
Okay,
Where's your
average.
break even,
The
is what I'm
average makes it a lot easier to say out loud. 412.
Your average is at 412?
Whoa.
Wait, Nasdaq or YM?
Whoa.
Zach?
Okay, this. I don't know. If
My
we get
original
low.
entry was when Dave called 600, which was at 351.
God, the doubters. The doubters. That'd be crazy.
And then I
Are you
added
trading
again.
NQ?
Yes.
Yeah, Sabby. I mean, I'm not hiding anything. Not hiding anything. If I'm struggling, I will let everybody know that I'm struggling. Doesn't feel good to show that kind of losing streak. I can tell you that.
Yeah, but it's necessary. I mean, that's what separates you from people like he who shall not be named that is buying several cars and putting the word prop firm on them.
I'm waiting for Savvy's next message, and thank you, Nemo, for breaking Wes' losing streak.
Oh, gee.
Wow.
I appreciate the metaphorical hug that you gave me, Nims. Actually, from what I recall, it was more like we hopped into the voice chat and it was, I'm not taking any call-outs from you after seeing your red losing days. That's what it was.
Wow.
That's what happened.
Sometimes you need the tough talk. And since you had the tough talk, you trying to scare me out of my winning YM trades. Nim, the VIX is down, Nvidia is up. Why are you short? The DJP indicator gave me a strong short signal.
Here we go.
Kevin, I think he's on sim, so it's whatever. This is sim, right?
Kev, why are you judging me?
Yeah, there's no way he's trading his personal at 100 points in drawdown.
No, I was gonna say
there is zero shot of that.
Long 508.
I am incredibly careful with my personal account.
You took the long from 508 to 518.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I was happy I did that. I was just looking for tempo. It's going to consolidate and barcode a little bit here. I just wanted to get a quick.
See how he does that? You see how he does that? The trade's done, and then he announces.
Should have held, because my original target was going to be 527, but the way it was whipping around.
Yeah, I'd be getting a margin call, Kev, if I was on my personal.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that'd be brutal.
Well, maybe not on micros. Or a micro.
Somebody said we were going to consolidate here. I don't know who that was that said we were going to consolidate here, but somebody said that.
It was me, Dave. It was me.
This guy.
I just felt I was going to barcode a little bit. And it did. Let's see what happens up there.
What is Nvidia doing?
Man, it should have held it.
Probably pumping.
Oh, no. I like my
33. So if Bitcoin goes to $65,000 a Bitcoin, MicroStrategy implodes and goes to zero.
Nice.
So it may be a very short-lived entry into the Nasdaq.
Yeah. I can't believe they wanted to put that in there, to be honest.
Why don't they put just something like a chill stock in it? Just like a nice chill stock.
Oh, that was a nice little pump up there. Nope, coming back.
You know, like a share where like shareholders are pleased and go, "Oh, had a good day today, up 0.6%."
Yeah.
Oh, not looking good. Not looking good. Down 0.3% today.
I like my 1.4% dividend.
Yeah.
I know it's kind of crazy that like 3% moves in the market right now are just like expected. It's just wild.
And it's like 3% moves from a $3.25 trillion market cap company. Mm-hmm. It's not like it's not like some minnow doing it.
Mm-hmm.
I just got a flash here. Worst day since 1980s for Novo Nordisk. I don't know.
What is
where
that?
resides.
Nuts.
What's a pharmaceutical?
Wait, what was the news?
Fair value for Bitcoin is like $1, Albu.
Novo Nordisk. I think that's a pharmaceutical.
Fair value for Bitcoin is zero.
I was just being generous, like
it's
just some
zero
fees or whatever on it for like processing
it.
it.
It's a pharmaceutical. Don't know what's driving it. Oof, it's down 20%.
You know what's funny? I got an email from LinkedIn. You know how you get like those spam emails that are not spam, but it's like their newsletter. It's like, oh, this company just hired X amount of this role or whatever, or this position.
Yeah.
Got an email that says DraftKings just hired a trader position. Is this interesting to you?
So good.
What?
DraftKings did?
Yeah.
You may have found your home there, Palm, if that happens.
I know, I gotta talk to him. DraftKings prop firm.
You know what the best thing about retirement is not paying attention one bit to anything on LinkedIn.
Nice.
At
Have a
all.
LinkedIn?
I really want to short this.
I do too, because I think we're barcoding, but
there's your reason not to, right there.
Yeah, shall I
Paul.
reverse my position? Yeah, I'm gonna
I didn't
reverse.
press it. I did not press it.
Okay,
Wow.
good.
see?
Have you gone long?
Good.
Anyone long off that call?
Yeah, did anybody punch long there?
You have to be quick because it happens so fast after the words leave his mouth.
Yeah, it's instant. It's unbelievable.
It truly is. I'm in awe of it myself, to be honest.
It is instant. You want an easy $200. Just target 10 points on the NAS from the moment the word leaves his mouth.
So true. You know, I'm going to start charging for this course. Sam. You just gave me a great idea. I'm charging.
Yeah,
for
start
my
charging
indicator
Wes to
course.
have you on.
Right. This will be the indicator course.
550 short would have played though. 550 actually looked better. There was more activity
100%.
up there.
And I'm sorry guys, but we're barcoding this. We're going further down. And then it pops.
Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Back up.
I'm gonna have to start checking for bugs here. What the hell?
Fat
Oh,
loss
thanks,
drugs.
Skinner. Okay.
Nova is the fat lot. Oh, that sounds safe.
Right. Sounds safe. There's going to be no long-term side effects at all.
Dave, do you like a short right here?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm waiting for the top of the hour, but I'm thinking of a short.
Nice, thank you. That's what I needed.
Yep.
Hey, Dave's DM's just blowing up with people going, "Do you like a long here, Dave? What about a short?"
Right. Charging for it. Pay Palm his money. Let's go.
We'll find out about this Nova.
Nah, it's looking like a stop. I think we go to 520 at least.
Yeah. Honestly, I think
I was long from 534.
498. We're going to go down. That's what
I
I'm
like
saying.
the break of the range high, and then we had a aggressive buyer step in at 534, like right where that prior high was. Thought we might hold that.
That makes sense. I just think we barcode till the top of the hour. I mean, with this 5-minute candle, I think it'll be red.
Yeah, I could see that.
We'll see.
This Novo is
I
definitely
mean, I get my
designed
honest
for
opinion
Americans.
on that. Oh, that's what I thought. Oh, that's Ozempic is Novo? Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm just reading about it, and it says help people lose 23% of their body weight after 68 weeks. No other country needs to lose 23% of their body weight.
I mean, I know a few people that are using that off label, and I'm like,
I don't know exactly how big the buyer Kevin, because I don't have like the labels on the bubbles because it crowds the bubble out a lot. Like the way it looks just doesn't. It just crowds it. But I have my filter set to 50, so the order size was over 50. I know that. Don't know exactly how large though.
MNQ?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm happy. I'm happy with my 1100 today. I'm not.
Yeah,
gonna
Yeah,
lie.
dude, good job.
yeah, seriously.
Good day to take it and then just sit out and watch.
When's the next My Funded Futures video? Because you've made some good progress.
The journal. We're gonna put a pause on like content production until the new year.
Okay.
Just gonna take a break.
You bought Mason some fizzy drinks for Christmas.
Mason, yeah, Mason has been studying and spending time with family. So we're taking a break on the content side of things until the new year, and then we'll get back into it.
Yeah, see, this is what I was thinking it would do right here. Barcode a little bit more.
Yeah, it makes total sense too.
And then see what the new hour brings.
So how do you when Dave says it's going to barcode, what position do you take?
You wait
Hit long on one, short on the other, and just look for it.
Wait for the
It's
new
a tricky
candle.
one, isn't it? It could go. You could just go and snap out this range instantly, but you don't know which way.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I got to get off here in a minute. So,
Cool.
Thanks for coming on, Nims. Thanks for joining us. A little bit late, but
Nims?
I mean, it was scheduled in, my lateness at least.
yeah, no, it was scheduled. It was definitely scheduled. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy your holidays. Definitely have fun. My best wishes.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, happy holidays, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Like, I don't know if
Merry
we'll
Christmas,
talk at all
everyone.
before then, but yeah. Chat, I hope you guys have a happy holidays, and this will probably be, I don't know if I'll squeeze in another stream or not after Christmas, but this will definitely be the last stream before Christmas. So you guys have a good Christmas.
I will see you on the Lions defense, Wes.
yeah, we're gonna have to suit up here soon. You too,
Yeah.
Palm. You too, Dave. We're
You
gonna be
bet.
getting the calls. Yeah, chat. So have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2025. Peace.
Bon Natale.
Bye.
Hey everyone, have a good one.